Good morning everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. And we are still in Valencia in Spain. And I'm really excited to go for this walk again today to explore this city. So yeah, another day, another walk, you know it. Yesterday was a really crazy walk, very spectacular walk with like crazy buildings and things that looked like spaceships. But today I'm gonna explore this more of a regular neighborhood here, which is called Montolivet here in Valencia, and it's kind of the other way from my hotel. It is again early in the morning. Sorry about that, because yeah, I have no time during the day, so I have to do it 8 in the morning. And unfortunately it's really cold. Like, it feels like I brought the Swedish weather with me, to be honest. It's only like 7 or 8 degrees. So yeah, a little bit chilly, but yeah, who cares? Still going strong. Oh, there it is. Even Valencia has the sushi place. I can't escape from the sushi place. So it's a little bit later than yesterday. The sun literally just went up. Well, let's cross the street here. And yeah, even here they have the scooters, just like in Stockholm. And I'm waiting for the light to go green here. I don't really know. Am I supposed to press something or? Alright, sorry for the waiting. Yes, it's green. Oh, I've got a little mini market here, which you sometimes see as well in Stockholm, not that often, but very colorful. Alright, let's go a little bit into the neighborhood here. Oh, rental bicycles. That's nice. So what is this called? Luis Arcas Pintor Gastro Bar. Oh, nice. Tapas, grill, paella. Classic Spanish restaurant. As you can see there on the tennis court, it's been raining like the whole morning. So it's good I found a little spot in between the rain. I was reading a little bit like online, and it's apparently one of the safest cities in the area, so that's nice to hear. Because when you go to an unknown place, it's always a bit tricky, like when you're just walking around in the morning, you know, am I getting robbed? Is this a safe neighborhood? You don't know. In a way, it's a little bit pity that I didn't start my walking channel earlier, because I've been traveling a lot in my life, like a lot. I don't even know how many countries I've been, but must be like around 100. So unfortunately I didn't take my Camry with me in all those trips. Would have been so fun to document all of it, but yeah, doesn't matter. Not too late yet. I will take you guys on the rest of my trips. Alright, what's around here? Well, let's go this way. Voila. Yeah, this feels more like a real neighborhood. Like yesterday, it was more like I arrived on Mars or something with spaceships and futuristic things. Neighborhood. Oh, voila. Probably like a school or something over there. Not sure. Graffiti. For me, the biggest challenge is not making these videos. The biggest challenge is always finding my way back to the hotel in time. Yeah, apartments very different here. Like I noticed a lot of the balconies are like in the building, so they're not sticking out like in Stockholm. Like for example in Stockholm, this would come out a little bit, like that. Sorry for pointing on the screen all the time, by the way. Should stop doing that. Well, what's in here? Oh, it's like a gated community because I think. Oh yeah, there's a swimming pool I think, so it's all closed off. Oh, a little park. Let's have a look. One thing I noticed straight away in Valencia, there's parks everywhere. There's a lot of public space. It's very spacious. And also they love big roundabouts. Everywhere, a massive roundabout. Oh, this is nice. Oh, people bringing their children to school. The school bus. Very cool. Yeah, none of those massive roundabouts here. Oh, the tram line. No metro. Or tram, not sure. morning rush hour. Yeah, let's walk a little bit here. Great public court. Great playing football here. Basketball. Nice. Oh, this always gives me such a holiday feeling when I see palm trees. So cool. Very nice. I should cross the street somewhere here. I don't know. Do I get hit by a car if I do that? Let's have a look. Actually, I can cross the road there. Let's do that. Alrighty. So it's quite easy to navigate in this city because you can kind of go from roundabout to roundabout. So as you can see here in the signs, you know, the art center where we were yesterday, straight ahead, university straight ahead, and then there's some other stuff to the right. Some other stuff. A lot of high buildings here. Well, let's cross the street here. I don't want to wait again. These buildings are massive. Yeah, the planning of the city is completely different than in Stockholm. It's all more squeezed on together. So the funny thing is, I actually feel more cold here this morning than I do in Stockholm. And why? Is because I didn't bring my winter jacket. Because before I got to Valencia, it was like 25, 27 degrees. And I was like, oh, don't need it. Don't need a jacket. Well, you kind of do in the morning. So can someone tell me what this is? Oh, I think it's recycling. I think zapatos mean shoes, ropa clothes, recycling box. Alrighty. Casa de Raquel. Cafeteria, bar, tapas. You see those little places everywhere. Very nice. Oh, now I know. I didn't get lost because I see the sushi restaurant. Yes, very nice. Alrighty, before I bump into all my colleagues here at the hotel. That was day 2 of Valencia. Thank you for watching, and I see you somewhere in town tomorrow. Bye bye.